Hey guys, Dina here with Journey for Profits, and I'm back and I'm ready to show you guys more of my thrifty find. Yeah, let's get right to it. Be a thrift. Here we go. Let's see what we find. If you guys are new to the channel, I am a reseller and I sell on Posh, Mercari, eBay, and Amazon, and right now I'm focusing on eBay and Posh. So today we went out to Via Thrift, my local thrift store, where they sell new and used, but a lot of new stuff. I love their shoes there because they sell great looking boots and shoes, but the name brands aren't familiar, so I really have to comp them, and when they do come up, I can find really great deals there. So yes, I'm paying a little higher than I normally do, but that's okay because that's part of my goal this year. I want to spend a little more to make a little more. So that's my goal for 2020. And anyway, this Via Thrift store here, I'll play some B-roll for you guys so you can check it out. They have great things, and they sell a lot of their boots for $10 at the end of the season, and that's when I rack up on the boots there. Also their shoes as well, and they have sandals and everything, but their prices went up a little bit this year. I paid about $12 on some of the shoes that I bought today, and $15 was my highest spending today on one pair of boots, but they are worth it because they are comping over $100 on eBay. So let me take you to the Via Thrift so you guys can check it out, and then we'll come back here to my basement. This is where I work and my studio. And oh, that's another thing, if you guys want to see how I take pictures and organize everything, that's another video in itself. Let me know, comment below, and I'll show you guys, give you a tour here of my basement and how I store 1,000 items. So yeah, let's get right to it. Be a thrift. Here we go. Let's see what we find. Let's go through my items. I did only find like 5 pairs of shoes just because they're boots right now. You can see there, they were selling them for $20, and that's just because we're still in season. I bet you once the season is over, they're going to drop their prices either to 12 or 15, probably 12, I'm hoping, fingers crossed, because last season they dropped it to 10. So we'll see. Anyhow, let me show you what I got here. Let's start off with these boots. I paid 15 bucks, but they were comping for over $100, and these are men's work boots, and they're called Reggie Wear. I never heard of this brand before, Reggie Wear. So I comped, so I had to do a quick research in the store there, but that's okay. That's what you guys do. And so if you ever come across Reggie Wear, guys, just really look into your comps, because they are going for over $100, and these are brand new, no tags though. And that's the soles, how they look, and they're heavy. I think I'm gonna do, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do plus shipping yet on these. I'm still thinking about it, but they're great looking shoes. And if you don't know the brand, like I didn't recognize the brand, my eye goes for the quality. I looked and I said, you know what, these look like they're quality made. So I just grabbed them and then I comped them, and then that's how because I again, how are you ever gonna know without just testing it out and checking your comps? So yeah, Reggie Wear, there you go. And this is another brand. It's called L'Amour des Pieds. I think I'm saying that right. I'm probably butchering it, but for the love of feet, I think that's what it says in Italian. I have no idea. But this is another great brand I had no idea about. And these are ranging over $50, and this is new as well, these wedge sandals. Again, no idea that they would go for this price, and I paid, these were $12, but new. And there you go. So if you come across that brand, or if you guys have come across this brand, let me know, comment below, because I never heard of them, but so far they're comping for 50 and up. And here's another L'Amour des Pieds. It's so funny saying that, but yeah, here's another brand. Same one, same brand, but sneaker form. This is like a stretch material. You can see that. Real nice and cozy. Your foot fits in there. But these are cute. They look really comfortable, and they are new as well. $12. There you go. And these were comping for 50 plus. And Muse and Cloud's my fave. These are super cute. This one did come with a tag here. $12, and the leather, it's so soft, really cozy, nice heel, and yeah, 12 bucks. And these are comping high 40s, like 50. And I got these for 12 bucks. And then I also found other little items, because I'm also opening a new eBay store, a second eBay store, just to sell little trinkets and stuff like glasses or paintings or you know, everything except clothes. So let me show you guys what I found. And this I went to the Goodwill for, which my camera died, so I couldn't videotape it, so I'm just going to show you guys here. These are actually, they're made in France, and it's called by Darrington Designs. Have you guys heard about this stuff? I'm all new to the glassware and stuff like that. I'm not familiar, so these are going to be like my little testers for my new store. But they were 99 cents. They were made in France, and there was only, I was hoping they had a set of 4, but they didn't have it. So, but super cute. They have like the frosted glass there. I don't know if you guys can see, but they were 99 cents. They were comping for like $20, so let's see what happens. And I found this cute little, for tea's sake, this had the little tag on, $3.99, and new, but no box. And also, quick tip, just check, I know they have this all taped, but I would just quickly check like I did. I ripped it up a little bit and I have to retape it, but just to make sure there was no cracks or anything and that this is together. I usually comp and then see the pictures, like what pieces come with this before I purchase it, because this way I don't want to go and buy something and then there's like missing parts. So I did check, and it's all together. And I'm super excited to sell this. And this was like comping around 20s. Not so bad for brand new. And again, it's for my second store, and I just want to try it out and see how it goes. So that's about it for today. I know I didn't go huge haul, but again, I'm trying to find, I'm cherry picking my items this time again, because I'm trying to sell, to pay more, to sell, to profit a little more. So that's my goal. So that's why my haul gets smaller. Second eBay store, same thing, but they're not high priced items. I'm just testing it out because it is new. It's fun. I love testing things out. So anyway, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. And I'm here to show you what works for me. So come join me on my journey if you want to see more. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Keep pushing.